Alrighty. Today I'm going to be reading you a nonfiction book called An Apple's Life. So nonfiction means that this book is real. All the information in this story is true. And a way that we can tell that this is a nonfiction book is it has facts, true information, and instead of illustrations, there are photographs. Okay? So let's start reading An Apple's Life. Life cycles. All living things have a life cycle. An apple has a life cycle. Inside an apple, there are seeds. The seeds will grow into a new apple tree. So there's the seeds right on there on the inside. Do you see them? The new apple tree will grow apples. The life cycle starts again. So if you take seeds out of an apple and put them in the ground and take care of it and it gets enough soil, enough water, a tree might grow. Seeds and shoots. An apple seed grows in the ground. Roots grow down from the seed and into the ground. So there, right in there, those are the teeny tiny little roots. A shoot grows up from the seed. So this right here is the shoot. Leaves grow from the shoot. So once the shoot is big enough, leaves will start to grow. Becoming a tree. The young tree needs water and sunlight to grow. The young tree grows bigger. So look how small it is. And after many years, it will be big enough to grow apples. The tree grows new leaves every spring. The tree grows flowers in the spring. So these are the white apple blossoms. Sometimes they can be pink as well. Making apples. A bee comes to feed on a flower. The bee has pollen on it. The pollen helps make new apple seeds grow on the tree. So bees are super important to growing apples. And then an apple starts to grow. Notice there's no more petals. The petals all fell off. And now this is the start of a very small apple. When the apples have grown, some of them fall from the tree. Have you ever been to an apple orchard and seen some apples just laying on the ground? So sometimes they just fall right off the tree. The apple has seeds in it, remember? There's that seed again. And the life cycle starts again. So here is the picture of a life cycle of an apple. So the first part is an apple seed grows in the ground, right? Then the seed begins to grow into a young tree. It grows bigger and bigger until flowers grow on the apple tree. The flowers are pollinated and they turn into new apples. Those apples fall down onto the ground. And when the seeds get into the soil, they start to grow again. And it just happens over and over and over again. And that's what it means by a life cycle, because it repeats over and over and over again. Thank you so much for listening to An Apple's Life, and I hope you learned a little bit about apples and how they grow today. Have a good day. Bye.